The best London tours include all of the best London highlights. 1. See all the highlights via a London sightseeing tour. If you're new to London, you must go on a London sightseeing tour. If you are wondering what to do in London for a day, this tour is my highest recommendation. This London sightseeing tour I especially recommend. Because you get to see all the major spots at once, such as the London Eye. Houses of Parliament, Westminister Abbey, Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Covent Garden. My favourite is this River Thames boat bus. You can buy and use the Oyster card, that is the London travel card. But you can save £7 to buy that and same price as the Oyster card if you use your credit card. I highly recommend that you use your credit card from your own country. Another popular way to see London is via hop-on hop-off sightseeing tour. It's great because it allows you to pick and choose what you want to see and at your own pace. 4. Tea time in the famous Pink Room at Sketch. Not gonna lie, I go here every single time I'm in London. Last time I really hit the jackpot because we coincidentally were there during the flower show. So the entire place was covered in fresh flowers. I have never seen anything like it. Anyway, you can't go to London without going to Afternoon Tea, and Sketch is home of that fabulous pink tea room. You see everywhere on Insta, so there's no better place to do it. Even the bathrooms are to die for, no joke. They do take reservations and it gets packed, so make these as early as possible. Pro tip: go right when it opens for the best photo ops. If you're feeling extra fancy, stop at Blow Limited for a blowout on the way. We loved ours, and it's a nice walk from Blow Limited through Regent Street over to Sketch. You can also have them come to you if you need. Address 9 Conduit Street. 5. Watch the sunset from Sky Garden or Madison Rooftop Bar. Madison has an open roof terrace with an amazing view of St. Paul's. It's pretty fancy, so make sure you are dressed appropriately if you go. Sky Garden is another great option. Gorgeous photo ops, if you are able to get past the huge lines. Want even better views? Get 360-degree city views at the Shard. The best tour in London itinerary includes time to walk around beautiful Regent Street. 6. Walk around Regent Street. Roam Regent Street if you want to do some shopping, and even if you don't. Last time we were there it was covered in British flags for the Queen's birthday, which made it extra beautiful, but it's still worth it otherwise. Make sure to visit Kingly Court while in the area, too. It's a great place to grab a bite, and at night there are plenty of fun bars to go to. Oversized cashmere wrap. Handmade white leather sneakers. Belt bag. Hydrating self-tanning cream. Jean jacket. Pave star bracelet. Barefoot Dreams circle cardigan. High-rise jean shorts. Clear SPF. Gold-filled snake necklace. Monday swimwear bikini. Laneige lip mask. Apple AirTag. 7. Eat Indian food for dinner at Dishoom. I know, random and full disclosure. But I had Dishoom recommended so many times I felt compelled to add it. Maja even said that it's by far her favourite restaurant in London. There are many around town now. But she suggests the King's Cross location due to it being the most aesthetically pleasing. As with all my recs, this spot is popular with the dinner line starting at 5:30 and people waiting up to 2 hours. According to Yelp, they do take reservations, so definitely go that route. Little known fact: the famous Churchill Arms has a Thai restaurant located in the back of it. Wondering what to do in London in one day? Walk around colourful Notting Hill. Don't forget to explore Notting Hill as part of your London itinerary. The famous and beautiful Churchill Arms, a can't-miss London itinerary item. 8. Explore colourful Notting Hill. I would allow for at least a half day of exploring. As a photographer, I do this in almost all cities I visit. In London, my favourite area to do this is Notting Hill. I mainly visit Notting Hill for the photo ops, a colour lover's heaven. But also love to visit the Churchill Arms, cliché as it is. It's covered in plants, and oddly the pub has a really good Thai restaurant in the back of it. Once you've tired yourself from all the walking around Notting Hill, stop here for a beer to recoup. If you happen to be there on a Friday or Saturday, also stop by the Portobello Road Market. If you need a bite while in the area, I love Farm Girl Notting Hill. Farm Girl offers a holistic and healthy, yet comfortingly simple approach to Australian café culture in the heart of Notting Hill. Valuing fresh, nutritionally nurturing ingredients and delivering them in a warm and welcoming environment. On offer is a menu that is every bit as delicious as it is nourishing. Healthy eating without compromising on taste.